When we want to round decimal numbers in math, we look to find the place that we are rounding to, then we look at the next digit. If it's 5 or more, we round the decimal number up. If it's 4 or less, we round the decimal number down. So let's look at example A, 81.342. To round this to 2 decimal places, the second decimal place is here, it's number 4. Next digit to the right is a number 2. 2 comes into the category of being 4 or less, so that means this decimal number gets rounded down. So basically means 4 will stay as it is, and the answer is 81.34. Now for example B, we are again rounding to 2 decimal places, so we will stop at the number 2. Now on this occasion the next digit to the right is number 6. That falls into the category of being 5 or more. So this time 24 stays, the 1 stays, and the 2 will be rounded up to number 3. So the answer here is 24.13. Now we can look at a few more examples of rounding decimal numbers. So for 2.1a, we have to round to the nearest thousands, which is 3 decimal places. Third decimal place is a 5. Next digit is number 4. As we've seen, this means we round down, which leaves the 5 as it sits. So to 3 decimal places, we have 5.265. Now example B, we're also rounding to 3 decimal places, which here is number 9. Next digit is 5, so we round up. However, 9 goes up in value to 10. So one could think we just write, but no, that's wrong. What happens is, it does go to 0 at the third place, but the 1 from the 10 gets added on. The previous digit. So what we actually get when we round to 3 decimal places here is 78.230. So it's something to remember whenever the digit being rounded up is actually a 9. Now for the last 2 examples, we're rounding to the nearest whole number, so we're going to be getting rid of the decimal expansions in both numbers. So all we need to focus on is the 1 digit immediately to the right of the decimal point, and depending on the value of that, we round the whole number up or down. Now with example A, the digit immediately to the right of the decimal point is 8. Now that is 5 or more, thus the whole number is rounded up 1 unit and becomes 20. Now we look at example B, the digit immediately to the right of the decimal point is 0. This is 4 or less, so this decimal number gets rounded down to the whole number of 8 by itself. And now both numbers in A and B have been rounded to the nearest whole number.